Good day, dear traders all around the world. Today we have an interesting topic about Vanguard Group. If we are speaking about S&P 500, which is represent 80% from United States economy, which is give a pure idea about the performance of United States economy market and reflect the confidence of investor in United States economy. We are speaking here about 2 or 3 main companies which are managing the assets which are part or main part of S&P 500. In the previous video, we did speak about BlackRock, which is the first biggest asset management in the world. Today we are speaking about Vanguard. BlackRock managing $10 trillion or more, $10 trillion. Vanguard managing about $7 trillion. Fidelity managing about 5.3.4, something like this, of total asset. So, we are speaking today about the second largest assets management company in the world. Vanguard company is established at 1st of May 1975. It is established or created by John Bogle, who was just a simple person who is working in another company that's called Wilmington. He got expelled from his job for some reasons, and he decided to create a new company because he is believing that every human in the world should get a good quality of investment with low cost. And he decided to create a Vanguard Group or Vanguard Company. Vanguard Company, which we are speaking today, after 50 years of hard work, of intelligent and good work of people. Today we are speaking about this great man which born at 1928 and 1929, and unfortunately he passed away 2019. So Mr. John Bogle, he was believing that every human in the world, he should have access to the good quality investment with low cost. So when he decided to create Vanguard Group, there is no another big boss who are financially supporting this company. No, there is no establishment which supporting this company financially. When you buy a share in mutual funds or ETF, you are owner of this company partially. That's why the profit which gained, it is back to the investors. That's why you don't see Vanguard Group in share market and stocks like another companies like BlackRock, Fidelity. You don't see, because this company is privately owned by investors which believe in this company. This company provide another service such as management, business advisory, and brokerage. You can invest immediately on Vanguard just by sign up on the website and Just sign up on the website and open account with them. Vanguard. Vanguard. It is not just a name. Vanguard, it is referred to as something war shipment, which was representing the power and intelligence of that ship. So this name Vanguard and the logo of the company also like a ship to show the people how this company is strong and have wisdom vision for the future. But this is not only the name, the reason why this company called Vanguard. It's also because Mr. John Bogle, he was working in company named Walnington. To appear his company, to appear nearby Walnington, he decided to start with letter V. So, because the list of companies by following the alphabet. So we continue today about our interesting facts and found the performance about Vanguard. This company, as we said, it is founded 1975 and it's the first company in the world which made ETF or mutual funds which is open for ordinary people in 1976. This company managed over 7 trillion in assets, a client-owned structure to ensure low cost, specialized in mutual funds and ETF. What mean ETF? Exchange trade funds. Headquartered in Pennsylvania in United States. Employ approximately 19,000 people. Larger provider of mutual funds and second larger ETF provider. This company is, as I know, about 80 ETF. This company focuses on low-cost, long-term investment, provide financial planning, asset management, and brokerage service. And this company also concentrates on passive strategies for ensure passive income. What mean the passive and active? We did speak about this in a previous video. Check our previous video on our YouTube channel and you will know. Here is top ETF that follow or managed by Vanguard. The first one, Vanguard 500 Index Fund, VFIAX, tracks the S&P 500. Actually, this starts 13 November 2000. But essentially, it was the first ETF which was started 1976. The second one, Vanguard Total Stocks Market Index Fund, FTSAX. It is a broad exposure to US stock. This also one of the main ETF which is provided by Vanguard. You can see the list of ETFs. Today we will discuss some of these stocks, some of these ETFs, and I highly recommend you, if you plan to invest in ETF which is owned by Vanguard Group, you follow and you check first one and second one and see what is more convenient for you. Here is the performance last 5 years. As we can see, VFAIX, it's made 15%, another one 11%, but the another they made less. If we speak about VFIEX. Here we see the date. It was 13 November 2000, but it's actually based on the same ETF which started 1976. The status is open. Expense, we said expense is low cost. You can see 0.04%. Net assets, which in this ETF around $500 billion. And it is like the budget of one country. This company, Vanguard, is the more interesting company which I read about them, and I encourage everyone who are looking for investment to invest in such ETFs. This company concentrates on S&P 500 index and provide large capitalization to U.S. stocks across various industries, and which spread and investment spread across all 500 companies in the index. And the performance of future past performance doesn't guarantee upcoming performance. Management. The management of ETFs by experienced group of people which you can don't worry about your investment, because these people are not ordinary people. They have good experience to ensure that it closely tracks S&P 500 and maintains a low expense ratio. Because John C. Bogle, he believed that every human should have access to good quality of investment with low cost. That's why people, they call him Saint John Bogle, because his positive effect on the global economy. VFIX is suitable not for everyone, of course, but for investors which are looking for holding for long-term investment, low-cost investment, and broad exposure to the U.S. equity market. That's why, and also acure holding and diversified investment portfolio. So, I tell you, if you decide to invest in ETF, your first choice must be VFIAX. Over the past 5 years, it made 15.12%. Here you can see some data from the company Vanguard itself, showing that 2022 it was 1.34%, 23 1.9, 1.65. So, but total return was 18 minus in 22, 26, 24 was about 24 in 2024. Since inspiration of VFIAX, it made 602%. Here you can see, if you did invest $10,000 in 2015, now it's become $35,000. And here some data about benchmark and fund. You can see it is very positive, very promising result that make everyone interested to invest in. Now price about $450, which is, I think, This price is suitable for ordinary people which would invest for 10 years, 15 years, or even a 20 year. If we see which companies taking the biggest part of this ETF, we can see information technology, they take 32.5%, and the lowest part is taken by materials 1.9%, and energy it took 3.2%. Largest companies in United States, which is you can see Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, and so on, are taking 38.8% of total investment of this ETF. Vanguard 500 index seeks to track the performance of benchmark index that measures the investment return of large capitalization stock. So it is suitable for everyone who is looking for passive income on his investment. Now we speak about another ETF. This another ETF for investment in our countries like in Middle East. In Middle East, this VMMSX, it's approximately 1.20% found assets invested in Middle East, Eastern market, who focus on high growth potential companies within emerging markets, and including select Middle East countries. So, it is not available investment in every Middle East country. It is only selective countries, and it took a small percent, but even this small percent, 1.20, this makes this ETF bigger investment than another which we will speak right now. You can see VIENX. It took 2.37% of funds assets elected in Middle East. Investors in small to mid capital companies are developed to engineering markets with a partition in the Middle East. So this is bigger than that one, but this one is still not that big. We hope to see bigger investment in our region in Middle East. This is the third one, International Stock Index. It is just 0.56 of the funds assets are invested in Middle East market, because this ETF to exposure to non-US equity markets, including those in the Middle East. In the end of this video, I would like to say thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was interesting information for you. I hope if you see this video is informative enough for you to like, comment, and share. I really appreciate you. And if you are looking for best forex broker to trade CFD, contract for difference, you can find the link below for the best broker in the world, which is IC Markets. I am with them since 2016, and they are outstanding experience. Thank you very much.